smelling good. You're bringing your wife home, your home is smelling good. So the freshness makes a difference. But you know, I've also heard that in a bedroom for a married couple, it first starts off with flowers and, you know, this lovely smell of so many things. And then it turns into, you know, the smell of diapers and different kind of smells. So I feel AmbiPure would really make that difference. And Dr. Rawat, what would you have to say on this?
Yeah, what you said is absolutely true. You know, it starts off with flowers when you initially married, and then of course when the baby comes in, then you have the diapers.
I want to know which couple has Kalingad in their relationship. Someone has thrown pav without the bhaji. वड़ा नहीं है थे. कांदा इतना महंगा हो गया फेंक दिया इन लोगों ने.
So you can imagine the things that have actually come in between couples. These are the little things, and that's why they say little things make a big difference. So now you can see these little things turn into, see, if you eat all this, you know, you become, and then, you know, a lot of stuff. Okay. So, all right. Now, like I said, we had done this survey, right? And we've got 2 couples here with us. So we're going to call them on stage, all right? Now, this is what causes the rift between couples. So now I'm going to call these 2 couples on stage, and I'll call couple number 1 on stage, which is Prajakta and Nihal Pimple. May we have you on stage, please? Okay, so let's have you face the audience. So Prajakta and Nihal, okay, so congratulations and welcome. Nice to have you here. We want you to put in this. Okay, so we'll have you there. May we have you on this side, please? Okay, we want you to, there's one thing you brought with you, okay? So you need to dump it in here, okay? And we want you to tell us what it is. So first, show us what it is.
Yes.
Yeah, please show the audience.
So we've got this dried fish, and then this is. Oh yeah, I don't want to open it. Yeah, I won't dare to open it actually. But
open it. No. Let's smell this dry fish.
Oh yeah, since we are in AmbiPure ambience,
yes.
so I think.
Open it. Oh. Open it. It's nice.
Okay.
We'll need AmbiPure.
No.
Because it smells, it tastes yum, but it smells very bad. And I love fish, he hates it. And whenever we plan to cook this, he just walks out of the house and the plan flops always. So this is the reason between our tips. I can't eat it and he always goes out and has it. So that's why.
So you need a good air refreshener to keep your home. I said you need a good air refreshener like AmbiPure to keep your home smelling
and
sweet.
I can open it and I can cook it.
Make sure you don't spray it on the fish. Because I can't be sure how it's going to taste then. Otherwise it's going to smell great.
All right, so basically it's the stink that actually causes the rift. So when there's something unpleasant, the unpleasant odor, that's what comes between a couple. And that's what we can see here. All right, so did you put it in?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now we'll have couple number 2 on stage. May we have Dinesh and Kalpana Kela on stage, please. Okay, welcome. What is the one thing that...
onion.
Please. Thank God. मुझे लगा बच्चे को लाके डाल रहे ऐसा मत करो यार. इतना प्यारा बच्चा है.
No, this very important for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank God you're